Debate?
Yes.
Firstly, what is the meaning of debate?
I don't know. Ma'am, fight between one thing. Two.
It's not a fight, but yeah, tell me.
Fight between one thing and tell the right thing and wrong thing.
It's not a fight, but when there are two groups who have different opinions, and they first group will put a point across, and the other will oppose. That is what a debate is. Now, for this debate competition, we'll have two groups, and the topic will be the topic will be whether school should be in the morning shift or afternoon shift. પહેલા કોણ કહે છે કે મોર્નિંગ માં સ્કૂલ હોવી જોઈએ? તો પછી ઓલામાં કોણ રહેશે? We need people for that na afternoon shift માટે.
And afternoon.
Okay.
Afternoon.
Should the school times be 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.
No. Yes.
or should it be from 12 p.m.
5 p.m.
to
6 p.m. 6 p.m. 3.
This is, let's keep this and okay, see. Beta are circle, right? Yes. See, should it be 8 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Yes.
or 12 p.m. to 6 p.m.?
8 a.m. to 2 p.m.
તો આમાં કોણ રહેશે આમાં? Fine. Okay, let's have how many are you? In number 1, 2, 3, 4. 13 people. 6 people come for this one, first one. 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. 6 people. આ બાજુ. ત્યાં નહીં, આ બાજુ. તમે જાઓ નહીં. Who feels that it should be in the afternoon? આમાં એક boy જોશે. This is not girls versus boys competition. Come. આવી જાઓ. No ma'am નહીં. હું એકવાર કહું એટલે આવી જવાનું. Let him stay. You come and both of you go. Who feels it should be in the afternoon? No. Girl. Who will go? You will write 10 points about why school should operate from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. and you will write 10 points about why school should operate from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. પછી 10 points લખી લો, then we will have a debate. Understood? Hasti, start.
By learning in morning, we can remember for long time.
Any opposition? She is saying કે મોર્નિંગ માં તમે શીખો તો તમને વધારે સમય સુધી યાદ રહે.
But after we refresh and then we learn, then also we can remember.
Anything you want to say? બેયને બોલવાનું છે. યા
she spoke, then we have to speak from our.
No, you have to oppose the point. Oppose.
Early morning માં આપણે જે ભણીને ત્યાં પણ વધારે યાદ. We understand that now I same hours only. Now I both હતા.
But you don't have to read and speak. આ પોઈન્ટ ઉપર તમારે કંઈ કહેવાનું હોય તો ઈ કયો. નથી કંઈ કહેવાનું?
યાદ રહે છે આપણે મોર્નિંગમાં. પણ after reflection also we can read. મોર્નિંગમાં મોર્નિંગમાં વધારે આવશે. After we can remember nothing in us. One more and
Fine, okay, the point goes to them because it is proven biologically that if you learn in the morning, you will be able to remember for a long time. Okay, no, let them.
If we come late from outside, so we can sleep more and hours and do homework.
Okay, he is saying that if we go out at night, તમે બારે મોડે સુધી રહ્યો તો તમે ઘરે રેસ્ટ કરી શકો બપોરની સ્કૂલ હોય તો.
And also in morning we can if we can go. If there is morning school, we can't complete our we can do homework after સ્કૂલ એથી આપણે ભેગું બહાર જવાનું ક્યારે તમે તો અમે રાતે જાગીને કરી ગઈ. આ તો ઈ તમારો પ્રશ્ન એનો પ્રશ્ન. સાચું છે. અને કેનો હોય હું કેનો હોય.
Don't do that. No, you don't have to do that. If you do it, -1. Okay, let them say it. Hasti, continue. Let her speak.
If the school time is of morning, children can take rest in afternoon.
So she is saying if they go in the morning 8 a.m. to કેટલા છે 2 p.m. So they will come back at 2 p.m. and then they can rest.
No, ma'am. They can't take more rest. But in that, like you can take rest for 3 to 4 hours. But we can take for many hours. 8 hours, 10 hours.
1 minute. બેયનો ટાઈમ સરખો છે સ્કૂલનો. 8 to 2 is 6 hours, 12 to 6 is 6 hours.
2 p.m. to 5 p.m. After we can take rest to 6 p.m. 6 p.m. to 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. 12 hours. 1 p.m.
What 6 p.m. to 5 p.m.? Your school is till 6 p.m.
Yes. After that 6 p.m. to then morning 5 p.m. We can take to rest.
તો એક સેકન્ડ ઈ લોકો લઈ શકે છે 2 p.m. to 2 a.m.
After we can do 5 p.m. Yes.
And 1 minute. It is not 5 p.m. first of all. 5 a.m. હોય અને 12 કલાકની નીંદર એનિમલ્સ કરે. We don't do it. Next thing. ઈ લોકોને શું હોય 12 hours તો ઈ લોકોય સૂઈ શકે from 2 p.m. to 2 a.m. Right?
તમે 6 पे लेली पे भी काट दो ए भाई तो તમારે 5 વાગે બસ વખત તો હસ્તી
Fine. Okay. No one gets the point. Now,
we can help our parents in morning. We can help our parents in evening also.
1 minute. Speak, yeah. Quiet. I don't listen. If you are right, you don't have to shout. Quietly, politely. Hey, quiet. ફાઇટિંગ. તમારો પોઈન્ટ પ્રૂવ કરવા માટે યુ ડુ નોટ શાઉટ. એન્ડ લિસન, સવારના કામ 1 મિનિટ. યોર મોમ વેક્સ અપ એટ 5 AM ટુ મેક ફૂડ ફોર યુ, ટુ ક્લીન ધ હાઉસ. તો સવારના કામ તમે કરાવી શકો, સાંજના કામ બીજા હોય. તો ઈ કહે છે fine, okay, 2 all.